welcome to my channel. We're gonna talk about the process on how I did my tubby nugget crochet pattern. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Mayan. I am a flight attendant and a crochet artist. My specialty is Amigurumi or crochet toys. I custom made toys based on reference photos. I was able to do original art, toys based out of favorite characters, and for this video I'm gonna share my experience in making tubby nugget. So I first made tubby nugget last year in 2023 when well, I think the older me will be better in explaining that one. Hi. So anyway, I just want to share you something. I've been very busy packing orders, and I just want to show you this one. One of my besties commissioned a tubby nugget, like, you know, tubby nugget, the social media cartoon character, the brown nugget. Anyway. So anyway, she commissioned for me to make her a tubby nugget plushie for her baby niece, and I just want to show you that this is usually the standard size for my orders. Like, this can fit up to an 8-inch doll. Alright, so yeah, it's actually big. It's bigger than my face. Now I just want to show you guys the tubby nugget. Okay, the tubby nugget is this. It's so big. Like, apparently chenille yarn expands, and the tubby nugget was meant for the baby, and the actual thing is as big as a baby. So yeah, like like so big. Thank you, older me. That's so annoying. Anyway, since the last time I made that personal video, a handful of people wanted to ask for the pattern for tubby nugget, and unfortunately I didn't have a written pattern during that time because I didn't had the foresight to write down the pattern, thinking that it'll be my first and last time of doing it. So luckily enough, another client decided to commission the exact same tubby nugget. So I learned my lesson and wrote the whole thing down while I was doing tubby nugget. And now I'm gonna share with you guys how I did the tubby nugget, my process in recreating the picture, and at the same time sharing with you the pattern. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments and I will answer as much as I can. And yeah, the usual, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow, and all that jazz. So yeah, here's the video.